guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my everyday makeup routine and the products I use. I'll give you a little detail on that as well. But if you'd like to see how I become this with that glow, then keep on watching. So we're going to go in with our face base, and I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This stuff smells like pound cakes, and I only purchased it because Jeffree Star had it, and I wanted to see if it was actually thebalm.com. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab a little bit on my beauty blender here and rub it into my face. I'm telling you, it smells so good. So good. Now I'm going to go in with my Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation right here. This foundation is great for pictures. It's great for all skin types. If you're doing weddings, this would be great for weddings as well. But I love this foundation. That's why it's part of my everyday routine. I'm just going to put a little bit on my beauty blender. And let's buff this out. Now that I have my foundation on, I'm going to go in with concealer. My new favorite concealer is the Juvias Place concealer. It very much reminds me of Tarte, just less thick, I would say. But I'm in the shade 15 here, and I'm going to jump right in with this Juvias Place. I'm going to place it all on the T-zone, so with my nose, my forehead, my chin. I'm going to go right underneath my lips as well to kind of plump them up. My Cupid's bow. And then, of course, our under eyes. Now that I have my base set, I'm going to go and set it. Now I did just purchase the new, not the new, but the Laura Mercier A powder right here. Translucent powder. I just needed something that wasn't going to tip my foundation and make it lighter or anything like that. So I did make a big purchase, and I decided to purchase this powder. So I'm going to go in with this. And this one, for some reason, also smells good to me. I don't know why, but put some powder. We're gonna set this face. So I'm gonna just grab my beauty blender here again. So I'm powdery, but we're gonna go in with a powder brush and remove all the excess powder off our face. Okay, now of course we're going to go in with our contour powder, our blush, everything like that, so we can get some dimension into our face. So of course I'm going to go in with my tried and true Fenty Beauty, and I am in the color Carmel Cutie here. Right there. And I'm just going to hop right into this. So I'm going to get me this little angled brush here. This is a JH04. I don't know if you can see that. Just a little tapered brush. Dip into that. I'm going to softly blend it into. My everyday makeup probably takes me roughly 30 minutes if I want to take my time, 45. but I try to make it short and sweet, but still presentable. And it's really just for work, because I work retail, and I kind of want to be a little bit more stylish. So with that being said, I also do a little bit of more contouring instead of just bronzing. So I'm going to go in with my Shade and Light palette here. And I'm going to dip into that shade to darken, to kind of deepen my face up and give that chiseled look. So I'm going to take a little bit and I go right towards my ear, my jawline, and I go right into there. And I blend that in with the bronzer. So I went ahead and just cut it a little bit. I set it there for about 1 to 3 seconds just to clean up. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with blush. I'm going to go in with the Juvias Place blush palette here. And I'm going to hop in with this orange and the pinky shade. I like to mix those both. And I pack on the blush because it does tend to fade throughout the day. So if I look crazy, y'all know why. So I have my base all complete. Blush, foundation, concealer. I got my eyebrows done as well. I did them off camera. And I have my contour and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face. I usually use the Morphe Setting Spray Continuous Mist. I did purchase the Jeffree Star Strawberry Mist that they just came out with and his new palette, so you will be seeing a review about that next, or just a sit and play video. But I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. Now, there's not much after this whole face step. Mostly everything is combined together. You can always do lashes. You can add a little pump of eyeshadow. I usually just keep my eyes bare because I don't cover them up that much and keep the natural color on there. So I'm just going to go ahead and hop in with eyeliner. I always do eyeliner, so I'm going to go in with the Better Than Sex liner here. A finer brush, and I'm gonna do a wing, so let's do that. Just need my mirror here. You can also keep it natural and just do your lashes if you wanted to. I'm just gonna line my eyes. I'm gonna pop on some mascara. This is my favorite mascara, Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I don't know, it's just one of my favorites. It's my ride or die here. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop some of this on. Now this is like my everyday look. Sometimes I put my hair up because it tends to get really nappy because I have curly-ish, wavy-ish hair. The lighting wants to work today. But you see how the blush kind of just fades away into the skin. It's very natural, not too crazy, very simplistic, beautiful makeup look. So I'm going to go ahead and set it all. I usually go with the all-nighter setting spray because I do tend to sweat a lot because I'm cutting up boxes, moving fixtures, replenishing, helping customers. So I'm going to go ahead and set this all. Just kidding, don't do that ever. And then I'm just going to go in with, I usually either go in with a chapstick or my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. It really just depends how you're feeling. But I just purchased this one, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. Very cute here, that packaging. I love Fenty Beauty. I just bought a lot of new product from her, and I'm thinking about doing full face of Fenty, but y'all let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. That smells so good, you guys. Like, I don't know, vanilla, like coconut, like, what's in this bitch? Let me see here. Vanilla. They have vanilla fruit in here. Seed butter, that's also probably what it is. Coca seed butter. Yep, so it's like coconut, vanilla. Shit, y'all, this is fire. So again, my makeup look is very simplistic. Only hard things is foundation, concealer. I kind of pack that on because I don't want baggy eyes and my darkness to show. But this is really it right here. I don't do much of a gloss. I don't do lashes unless I'm feeling a little more extra that day. But this is it right here. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, just my everyday makeup. Please leave a comment down below. What is your favorite everyday product that you use? Mascara, liner, lip gloss, chapstick that you use. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Hold up. I forgot the most important step. I am insane. Highlighter. So I just purchased the new Supreme Frost Wet Dream Jeffree Star highlighter when I went to the new Water Tower Morphe store in Chicago. And I'm going to hop on in with this because a bitch cannot forget the motherfucking glow. So I'm going to just... Girl. Now, for real, I'm gonna set it. But I'm gonna go with the Morphe setting spray, so then it makes it a little bit more dewy on top of the all-nighter. Oh. Bitch. Fan this. Now for real. This is it. This is the everyday makeup look right here.